The market cooled off today after yesterday's push toward possible all-time highs. QQQ took the bigger hit as semiconductors fell, but she remains above the 20-day moving average and is still consolidating inside a symmetrical triangle. IWM is still hanging out near the top end of its rising wedge. Bonds kept dropping. HYG plummeted to the support trend line of its symmetrical triangle and held for now. Let's walk through what Grok Trade is seeing after today's pullback in tech and pressure in bonds, and quick reminder before we get into the charts. This is not financial advice, not a buy or sell recommendation, and not a reason to chase, short, panic, or force a trade around a major economic catalyst. Grok Trade is sharing market commentary, technical analysis, chart-based perspective, and trader education. So trade the chart in front of you, manage your risk, and speak with a qualified financial advisor for guidance specific to your situation.
Yeah, I mean, the most dangerous thing you can do today as a trader isn't guessing the market's direction. It's assuming it's actually picked one, right? Because looking at today, Wednesday, July 1st, 2026, SPY slipped just slightly. DIA was completely flat.
Right.
The real tension is, just boiling under the surface.
Yeah, totally. Like QQQ dropped today, dragged down by semiconductors.
Yeah.
Obviously, but it's still holding above that 20-day moving average.
Yeah, it is.
So it's just consolidating. So patience is the real trade right now. Look at IWM just hanging out near the top of its rising wedge. And TSLA, it made this huge multi-day run from triangle support all the way up to resistance.
Yeah, but then it just sold off from the high of the day.
Right. So for anyone who isn't staring at candles all day, what does that actually look like?
It basically means buyers pushed TSLA all the way up to that resistance line, but sellers just immediately swatted it down before the close.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, leaving a long line or a wick on the top of the chart. It's pure visual rejection.
Man. Okay, so if equities are stuck in a staring contest, are bond traders blinking first? Because HYG, the iShares iBoxx High Yield Corporate Bond ETF, it plummeted straight to the support trend line of its symmetrical triangle today.
Yeah, they very well might be. And HYG sitting on that support line, that matters immensely. High yield credit gives us major clues about broader risk appetite. And if you're watching these boundaries at home, you really need to monitor the macro triggers too. Today, the ISM manufacturing PMI cooled to 53.3.
Wait, 53.3, that's below consensus, right?
It is below consensus, yeah. But still above 50, so we're still technically in expansion.
Yeah.
We also had Fed Chair Warsh speaking today, but honestly, tomorrow's jobs data is the big one.
Oh, absolutely.
Non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate dropping tomorrow could easily shake these fragile setups one way or another.
Yeah, definitely. Flipping over to crypto, Bitcoin caught a bid. Are you buying the bounce?
I'm constructive, but definitely cautious. Bitcoin's structure has looked pretty heavy lately.
Heavy meaning what? Sellers just keep stepping in.
Exactly. Every time it rallies, sellers swat it down. The bulls really must show follow through here to repair that heavy structure.
Got it. And looking at gold futures, GC plus silver futures, SI, they're basically just chopping sideways on the daily charts.
Yeah, neutral to heavy. We just aren't seeing the evidence of demand needed to build a bullish case yet.
Right. So tomorrow shapes up to be a major test. Will these triangle setups resolve, and will this short week rally hold up under the incoming jobs data? And have a great rest of your day, and we'll catch you tomorrow as we track non-farm payrolls, unemployment, QQQ, IWM, HYG, Tesla, Bitcoin, gold, silver, and whether these consolidations finally give us a cleaner directional move. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you're a newer trader and want a great foundation with no fluff, start with our free Trading 101 videos at groktrade.com/learn. And if you're ready to reach your full trading potential, whether you're a total beginner or a battle-hardened trader, check out our mentorship program at groktrade.com/trading mentor. All of these links are in the description below. Grok Trade is where traders reach their full potential.